Hey, I'm Chance Tassone. I've been cooking for years. Whenever I need a new recipe, I go to Vito's Italian Cucina, and so should you.
Hi, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Glad you're with us this week. You know what we're going to do this week? Something that my mother used to do when I was a kid. It was a piece of bread and you put an egg inside of it and you cook it on the stove, and it was called egg in the well. That's what my mom used to call it. And I thought that was really pretty cool, and I still do that today. And that's what I did on this show that you're going to see coming up. But what I'm going to do is ask you, what did your parents call it, or what did your family call it? Was it egg in the well, or was it bird in the nest? Was it gopher in the hole? Was it the old one-eyed Pete? You know? Was it one of those? I'm not sure, but I'm asking you to go ahead and write me and put a picture up of egg in the well, or whatever you call it. Egg in the hole, I love that one. You know, and we'll put it on the Cucina next time around. Now, if you remember the movie Moonstruck with Nicolas Cage and Cher, right in that movie, they had a kitchen scene there where they made egg in the well, which was a beautiful scene, by the way. If you haven't seen that movie, you should go check it out. Moonstruck, remember that one? Anyway, pay attention here to what's going on and enjoy the show. Okay, well, that's our show, the old Egg and Noel. You know, I hope you enjoyed it. I did. It's pretty fun, and it's easy to do. You know what? The kids love this, by the way. So try making that for them for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. It's all good. Thanks for joining us. Ciao for now.